All right, so I just left CFCC office now after spending over 4 hours there. As a matter of fact, I went straight from the airport. From the airport, I went straight to EFCC. As you all know, I was in Lagos on Saturday because of the traffic victims that returned from Ivory Coast. So I was in Lagos to receive them with Sahalen Oyema, the owner of Airpeace, who availed this plane to bring them back. So when there, we received them. And then yesterday, I did not even rest. You understand? This morning, because of the appointment I have with EFCC, I had to come back. Now, on reaching the FCC, they brought up one allegation against me that is very crazy. You know, they said, one woman said, I've never been so irritated and angry like this before until today. I'm not gonna lie, I cursed the woman finish. I cursed Sam to the highest level. And like I said, I told them, they record me for video. I said, a guy go reach.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa, tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò wá, a kí yín o. Akọ́mọdé, akí àgbàlagbà, akọ́kùnrin, akọ́bìnrin. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá, ojú náà ò ní fọ́ o. Etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá, etí náà ò ní di. Ohun rere mọ̀ ni etí yín á mọ̀ mọ́ gbọ́. Ọdẹ òdùn bí ọdẹ gbogbo wa yóò mọ̀ dùn fúnre. Ohun rere là á sì mọ̀ fi etí wa gbọ́ o. Ohun tá a tó mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri níbi gbogbo àgbáyé tẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ wa. Nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tó mọ̀ wà ńlẹ̀ náà mọ̀ ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ náà ní tá a gbọ́ nípa ẹ̀. Nípa ọ̀rọ̀ GT Bank tó wáyé lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí àti ọmọkùnrin kan tẹ́ ń pè ní Fariga Loni ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká àti EFCC. Òun la tún ní ká tó mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà o. Ẹ wò níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ ń dé dúró la mọ̀ tó ní ká mọ̀ tó mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ yín. Torí Fariga Loni ó jáde láìpẹ́ yìí. Ó sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan o tó jẹ́ pé ó ṣókùnkùn sáwọn èèyàn ṣùgbọ́n tó tàn mọ́lẹ̀ lójú EFCC àti lójú Fariga Loni àtọlọ́run Elédùmarè ọba tó dá gbogbo ayé kábíyèsí. Ọba àdàgbà mọ́tẹ̀pá àtòrí aláìsùn sí agbé ọ̀gá o. Ajúbà ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ fi dọ̀run ayé. Elédùmarè ọba táyé rọ̀bí àgógó. Ẹ wò ọ̀rọ̀ ìmọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ló ṣe bí ọ̀rọ̀ o tí Fariga Loni tó gba ìyẹn àgọ́ àwọn EFCC lọ torí ó ní appointment pẹ̀lú EFCC. Ẹ tó wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí Fariga Loni tó sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Àṣírí rèé o ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ wò fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò yìí. Ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kẹ́yìn náà lè mọ jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe é mú fúnrán wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò ẹ tó wá lọ gbọ́n tí Fariga Loni ń sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wò fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti subscribe o. Ẹ subscribe o. Kí n lè agbádùn wa kí n lè bá wo gbogbo tá a bá tó mú wá. Ẹ wò ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ ẹ sí ẹ̀ fọ́nrán káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé kó kan gbogbo ọ̀n tẹ́tì mọ̀ kó kàn lára. Kàn náà kán lè jàǹfààní tá a tó mú wá sí etí gbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá lápapọ̀. Ẹ wò ibi tá a fi àdàgbà ètò yìí sọlẹ̀ sí lónìí nìyí. Torí ire lójú owó rí o, ire lójú ọ̀la rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa mọ̀ rí o. Ire o, ó dìgbà orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ni wà. Ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀.
From say we go do court case, this woman go still go swear juju for this kind thing. Yes, we don't dey reach there. Juju na our ancestor package. You understand? I'm an African man. I not be church man. Do you understand? A guy we go river, we go swear juju for this matter. We go take person life. No jokes. And I told them, now what happened? They said the woman say, make her even play the video.
EFCC officials, she later discovered that a social media influencer, Vincent Author, aka Very Dark Man, had publicly unveiled an identical project.
I am meeting up with some tech guys as well to discuss on something I'm bringing up, and that thing is to help combat this online vendor wahala and the rest. I'm putting in a lot of money. I don't put plenty money inside the thing, and hopefully this thing when I want to go help a lot of people not to be scammed.
The case of Princess Udo raises questions about whether regulatory bodies can be trusted to protect intellectual property rather than exploit it.
I urge the Nigerian government, the EFCC, and other relevant authorities to take immediate action to 1. Investigate this incident and bring perpetrators to justice. Strengthen intellectual property protection laws.
Now, before I say anything, yeah, if you want to arrest me, I want to look for something very reasonable and very, very tight. Not be all these things. You understand? Because at this point, you don't look as if, okay, yes, there's an hidden agenda somewhere. Before I address this issue, I was with EFCC for how many days? They interrogated me. They don't bring this thing up. From nowhere, they carry this one come today. But that's not a problem. Now, let's go to this woman. This woman is alleging that, if you remember that video when I reached China, I said I come here, I don't spend a lot of money so that I'll feel they help people so that they will not be getting scammed. You know, all these vendors, buyers and sellers, so we say you go send money to vendor no credit you, or vendor will send something to customer no go pay. You know, all those things. I said, okay, I'm coming up with an idea that I spent a lot of money, right? So it took me to China to do all that research. So this woman is alleging that the idea is an idea. How, madam, first of all? Madam, how is it your idea? This is what I do in this country. This is what I use my platform to do. You get scam, oh, very dark man. I have a big platform. I talk about it and I make sure people get their money back. I've collected millions over the years. How many years I don't did for this media now? Just from 2023 towards the ending of 2023 till now. I'll be towards the middle of 2023 till now. Yeah, I know how much I don't collect for people who I don't help them recover. Millions. It's only natural. See, all these kind of things, they come my head. Do you understand? You, madam, now where they claim this idea and your idea, who know you? Who know you? Sorry to say, who know you? Who are you in the scheme of things? What have you ever done? How much have you helped somebody to recover, to claim that this idea is your idea? How much? You don't help person recover where you go say this idea is your idea. Like I said, if now want to arrest me for over something more than drum. And mind you, this same idea where you talk, I am pretty sure that this your idea and my own can never be the same. My own idea, I got it in the prison. I sat down in the prison when I was locked up in Koja. I sat down inside there, the idea came to my head. And more ideas. If I bust the idea for you now, billions. Do you understand? As a matter of fact, I know how many people I don't meet. People who don't they ready to invest. Millions on top of them. When I pitched it, even when EFCC was interrogating me, when they asked me that, oh, you said you have an idea, you know, in order to help people, I pitched it to them. The EFCC interrogate people that were interrogating, they were surprised. They were like, bro, you have ideas, big ideas. So you coming to say this, it's just crazy. Like I said, if you don't hold me, you don't want to arrest me, want to find something very, very big. Don't be all these ones. I big pass all these things. Idea box 9 day here. I don't want to even talk about the people where say I don't send idea give where the entertainment industry. Coded where nobody know and they give them, they use and do their content. I be idea box. But I know they use until they brag. Me an idea box. So when they said it, I was like, what? Wanna pick me for something else? Do you understand? That's number one. Number two, I will talk another idea now because all these things now I need to advance. And how do I advance? I have to get an office. Where are they look for now? I am on it. I don't employ one person. I will say employ more people. I need to have an office, right? And this office now is I go sit down there. People will get problem because not everybody that can reach me through Instagram and Facebook and all that. It's not everybody. Do you get? So I need to have an office. Okay, you get problem. Plenty DMs full. I know they even check the DMs again. You have a problem. Okay, what do we do? Come to the office. Let me listen to you. There's an office. There's a number you can call. Come to the office. I'll listen to everybody. Before you send an idea again, this one I have to do in order to help people. See, my pride in all of this. I'll tell you people today. It's not about the money because it's about the money. I don't cash out clean. My pride in all of this is to beat my chest and say, yes, I did something in this country before I left Nigeria. Or before I left this world, rather, because I'm not going to leave Nigeria to stay anywhere else. That's my pride. I could beat my chest and say, bro, I stand up now, me make this thing stop. Go and check. When was the last time you said there's scam person for media again? When was the last time you see all these organic skincare people that they advertise on NAFTAC? Somebody, one big man they talk today, they talk about one multi-billion-naira business. And they say, I swear, and they talk say, man, we have to get NAFTAC number because we needed to get NAFTAC. We don't raise the awareness. We know what we don't do. We're not going on the brag, bro. So it's a shame that this is that kind of small thing. But madam, you go court. Not just court. Again, you go do it. You go swear juju. You go swear juju, to be very honest. You go swear juju. Anyways, I don't tell my lawyers. I know they sue, but I say we go start. Even the GT bar say also, I don't sit down on my own and say there's no need. Now you don't come again. Or I will let you do the suing. They will not defend. They will not counter sue so that I will chop your money. I don't sue. But you people should be careful. Don't take advantage of that. Yes, you're going to learn. And you will learn the hard way. Especially you, madam. You're going to learn. You're going to learn.
Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn níbi tá fi àdàgbà ètò Very Darkman àti EFCC tá fi àdàgbà ètò yìí sọlẹ̀ sí lónìí nìyí. Ẹ wo bí bá tó ṣe lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Very Darkman àti EFCC àtó jẹ́ kí kẹ́ máa gbọ́ o torí ire báyìí lójú owó rí o, ire lójú ọlá rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa mọ̀ rí o. Orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ní ẹ wà. Ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ máa bá wa subscribe sórí ẹ̀, kẹ́ máa bá wa like ẹ̀, kẹ́ máa bá wa share rẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè yín náà bá dáwọ́ yín lé oréré bí ìyè la máa já sí. Ire o, ó dìgbà.